Hey travelers, have you ever heard of a place so captivating that it draws you in with its pristine beaches, vibrant local life, and thrilling water sports? Well, let me take you on a virtual journey to one of the most exhilarating yet underrated destinations in Bangladesh, Cox's Bazar. Situated on the southeastern coast of Bangladesh, Cox's Bazar holds the title for the world's longest natural sea beach, stretching over 120 kilometers. But it's not just the length that makes it spectacular. It's the pulsating heart of adventure and warmth from the local community that truly defines this place. Now imagine this, the sun just beginning to rise, painting the sky in shades of orange and pink. You're walking along the beach, soft sand beneath your feet, and the sound of waves gently crashing against the shore. This isn't just a morning walk, it's a serene experience. A perfect start to an adventurous day at Cox's Bazar. But Cox's Bazar isn't only about relaxing beach walks. Are you a fan of adrenaline-pumping activities? Then get ready to dive into a variety of water sports. From jet skiing across the crystal-clear waters to parasailing high above, witnessing the panoramic views of the coastline, every moment here is an adventure waiting to be explored. And let's not forget about the local culture. The city might be small, with roads that tell tales of many monsoons, but the heart of Cox's Bazar is big. The people, oh the people, they are the soul of this place. Always ready with a smile, their hospitality is as warm as the tropical climate here. Engage with them, and you'll find yourself enveloped in stories and laughter, making your trip even more memorable. Now I know what you're thinking. This sounds great, but what about the tourists? Well, Cox's Bazar is primarily fueled by local tourism, which adds an authentic touch that you often miss in more commercialized spots. Recently, though, travelers from across the globe have started uncovering this hidden gem. And why not? It's a slice of paradise that offers a perfect blend of adventure, culture, and relaxation. So, if you're itching for a new adventure, why not pack your bags and head to Cox's Bazar? Whether you're a solo wanderer, a family on vacation, or an adventure seeker, Cox's Bazar has something for everyone. Join the few who have discovered this magnificent place, and trust me, you'll leave with stories to tell and memories to cherish. Thank you for joining me on this virtual tour of Cox's Bazar. Until next time, keep exploring and keep adventuring. Safe travels, everyone!